All right, welcome back and welcome into today's very special free training. And in this video, I'm going to reveal what I call my Make Money Online blueprint. So, this blueprint is going to walk you through step by step every aspect of starting an online business with digital products, from the business model to the niches that you can pick to the software that you can use to automate your systems and the type of content that you should be making on social media. And this document is absolutely packed full of information. We're going to make today's video as fast and quick as possible so it's easy for you to digest. And then if you are watching this on YouTube right now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the best Make Money Online related content, growing on social media, all that good stuff. And as always, in the description, you can get access to this Google document so that you can go at your own pace, okay? Because it's gonna be like drinking from a fire hose today. There's so much free value, so much information in here. I'm not gonna read it all word for word. I'm just gonna highlight the most basic parts to give you that general understanding of what actually goes in to starting an online business that actually makes money. So without further ado, here is my Make Money Online blueprint, okay? And when you're trying to make money online, the first thing that you need to understand is the business model, okay? There are tons of different business models out there. What I teach is all related to digital products, either high ticket affiliate products, which are still digital products that you create yourself, or digital products that come with master resale rights, meaning somebody else created them and now you have the resale rights to sell those products for 100% profit, okay? So when we're selling digital products, it means it's all online. And if you do it right, it is 90% automated. So you build the systems one time and you have the opportunity to reach people at a mass scale over and over and over again. And this is where the passive income in online business comes from. When you have a 90% automated business and systems in place, you can reach people while you're sleeping in the middle of the night, while you're at the park with your kids, while you're on date night with your significant other. Okay. And to succeed in this style of business, there are three elements that are absolutely critical to your success. And I want to get these out of the way right up front, because what happens is most gurus and most people trying to sell you courses and teaching you this stuff, they'll tell you about the offer, they'll tell you about the automation, and they'll tell you about all the money that you can make. But when it comes down to it, they always leave out the one detail. You're running a business. You actually have to market it. No, you don't make money if people don't buy your stuff, right? So you need an audience. These are the three critical elements. You need an offer, which is simply something to sell, an audience, which is simply people to buy that offer or sell your products to, and then automation, a way to deliver your products, fulfill them. And when you learn this stuff the right way, a way to do the follow up and even the sales on autopilot. So you're not spending all day emailing and messaging prospects back and forth. You build your systems and your systems do the selling for you at all hours of the day. Okay. So, step two, you need to master the basics, okay? And there's a couple of basic things. Choosing a niche and a topic. You hear people talk about this all the time. Well, it seems like the only people making money online are the ones selling digital products or reselling a course that teaches people how to sell courses or digital products. Well, the reality is, yeah, there are a lot of people making money that way because the courses teach you the skills to be able to do all this stuff. And the people who are doing it the right way, we're reaching all kinds of different people. I've got gym owners who have bought courses from me. I've got fitness influencers. I got a lot of people in the fitness space simply, I think, because that's one of my interests and something that I talk about from time to time. So I attract those type of people. But you can make money. There's so much money to be made online. So right here we've got a list of different niches that maybe you wouldn't expect, right? Like pampered pets and healthy pups, homesteading, DIY, glow up goals, personal skincare. Okay. A lot of these are very girly, right? You see a lot of stay at home moms and people who are on TikTok shop and things like that are in these niches, right? Sustainable living, zero waste living. If you have got information and you are doing this in your own life, you can package it together, the information, into a digital product and sell it, no matter what the niche is. Okay. Then from there, once you select your niche, you need to identify who you're going to be selling to. And this is honestly more important probably than selecting your niche. Okay. You need the specific people that you're going to sell to. So examples here, if you're in health and fitness, right? Do you want to target people who are busy dads and they're working professionals and they need workouts they can do in 30 minutes or less? Okay, maybe that's your specialty. That's your niche, that's your people, your ideal customer who you're going to want to sell to, okay? Maybe personal development and growth. Anybody seeking self-improvement, they're interested in topics like mindset, goal setting, productivity, leadership, financial literacy, right? Maybe you're really, really good at budgeting and you've created a cool budgeting tool in Excel. You could package that together in some sort of digital product and sell it to people on the internet. Okay. So you need a niche and you need to identify who your ideal customer is going to be. Okay. And then really getting into it, step two here, I kind of mislabeled those. Step two here would be creating an Instagram page if you don't have one already, right? And I do recommend starting a brand new page because as you go through and you select your niche and you select your target audience and the people you're going to be talking to, well, you set up your Instagram page from the start, you optimize it to be speaking directly to those people. Okay, you're going to optimize your channel and it give you some information about what the first, second, and third line should actually look like. Okay, then you're going to need some sort of link in your bio, which we'll get to a little bit more of that down the road here. And then you're simply going to post 2 times every single day right out the gate. Okay, this is the best way. I always say 2 because 1 isn't really enough to maximize your potential reach, right? And then when you get to 3 or above, you're risking kind of burning yourself out. Okay, so 2 is that sweet spot for beginners. If you've got the bandwidth and you enjoy creating content and you're good at it, if you could push it to 3, that's awesome. But definitely 2 to maximize your reach. Okay, and then you're going to be posting 3 to 5 stories a day with actionable tips that your viewers can implement immediately. You're also going to be posting things in your stories that are going to inspire people, right? And hopefully get them to take action. Maybe you've got some before and after photos of your postpartum weight loss journey. Maybe you've got before and after results of what your blood work looks like after you've only been eating sourdough bread for the last 2 years. Maybe you're trying to sell sourdough bread, sourdough recipes, a starter, whatever that looks like. Okay. You're going to talk about that and put that stuff in your stories. Okay. And then if you can make the time for it, if you can go live, right? It's going to be weird at first. It's going to be awkward, but all of this is a skill. You're going to have to step outside of your comfort zone, learn some new skills, and frankly, act on those new skills, right? Because applied or knowledge is useless unless it's applied, right? Everybody always says knowledge is power. No, applied knowledge is power. You have to learn new things and you have to actually take action on those things. Okay. So you need an offer. You're going to select a niche. You're going to have a target market, target audience. Then you're going to create an Instagram page that is optimized to reach that target audience. And you're going to make content that speaks directly to those people every single day. Okay. So step 3 here, you're going to need a professional email. You can purchase one of these through like GoDaddy, right? You get a domain, you can get email with it. You need a professional email because when you're running an online business, you're going to be sending emails. You're going to build out these automated systems that we're talking about here. And you can't just send emails from a Gmail. You're going to end up in people's spam box every single time. You need a professional business email, okay? And for best results, make sure it matches what your niche is on Instagram, right? So like, for me, I built a personal brand around this identity of the dadtrepreneur. I'm an online business owner. I'm a busy dad, and I'm figuring out a way to make this entrepreneurship thing work in the grand scheme of a crazy busy life, right? So that works for me. Maybe you're in the underwater basket weaving niche. So maybe your professional email is like basketweaving.com. So josh@basketweaving.com. Okay. Josh at 30 days to a fitter life.com, right? Make it match up with your niche. Okay. Step 4, you're going to need a stand store. Sorry. No way around it. To automate the systems and to be able to sell digital products online, there are tools. Okay. I'm giving you a lot of the best information for free, as much as I can for free. If you go back and watch some of my previous videos, I break this stuff down in different ways and give you even more information. I do the best I can to give you all the information, but at the end of the day, you are going to need tools. There's no way around it. Now, I love StanStore because it's only $29 a month. You can use this link right here on this Google Doc and get your free trial. You get a 14-day free trial, and then it's only $29 a month from there. You can customize your StanStore. That it's super, super user friendly. They've got great tutorials. They've got great support. They've got great help. They can walk you through getting your StanStore set up. It's very, very straightforward, very straight to the point. That's why I love that software, especially for beginners. Okay. And then they will have an option for a $99 a month option where you can also create funnels and do email landing pages and send out emails. And then you can do different things like limit quantities and have sales on your products, coupon codes, things like that. So but at its most basic level, you're going to be paying $29 a month for software. Okay. There's no way around that. You need to be able to automate the process of all of this. Okay. And then step 5, you're going to create lead magnets or free giveaways. A lot of people use the term freebie. I hate the word freebie. It makes it sound cheap. It makes it sound, I don't know. I just don't like the word freebie. A lot of people use that though in this industry. Essentially, the technical term for it is called a lead magnet. It's anything that you're giving away for free in exchange for somebody's email address so that you can follow up with them and hopefully sell them something down the road because you provided so much value to them. They, with your free stuff, that they see it as a no-brainer to purchase your paid stuff. Okay. So an example of a lead magnet, well, hello, this right here, it's actually a lead magnet. Okay. Maybe you came in through email. Maybe you're in here through a YouTube video, but at the end of the day, this is a lead magnet. It's designed to give you the high level, the better understanding of how all this works, and hopes that you like my teaching style and you want to work with me further down the road. If not, you've got a ton of information that you can go out and take action on. Okay. Free communities can be a great lead magnet, especially what I call niche communities. Okay. Very specific communities. Maybe it's just a community for busy dads who are looking to make money online, right? Or maybe you're an IT professional, right? A group for IT professionals looking to make money outside of their IT job, right? Very niche specific groups. That way you attract only your target audience in there and the people that are really, really going to benefit from the information and relate to you, your personality, and your story. Okay. Free communities are a great way to provide big value, even as a small creator, because the big creators, even like me, a lot of us don't have free communities right now. So that's a way to set yourself apart and instantly break through. And again, just set yourself apart from some of these big creators so you don't have to worry about competition because you carved yourself out your own little market there. Okay. Step 6, you would need to set up ManyChat. Okay, ManyChat comes with a free account, but their most basic account after you get like 500 subscribers is $15 a month. Again, very straightforward, easy tool to use. You can click right here to get your free accounts. And then at the bottom of this, you can actually, I give you a template literally for free. You can grab my template and steal it. So ManyChat is an automated response thing. If you've been on Instagram for any amount of time, you've probably commented on somebody like myself's video and they've sent you a message instantly. And maybe that's even how you found your way to this training right now, right? Well, that is my Josh bot over in ManyChat delivering my lead magnet directly to the people who are commenting for more information. So again, when you have an automated business, you're not spending all day in chat, in Messenger here, DMing everybody back and forth, having a conversation. You're using ManyChat, and it's delivering your lead magnet directly to people when they comment a specific keyword on your videos. Okay. Step 7, paid products. Okay. Some people call this your paid product tree, your paid product suite. I like the idea of having a low, mid, and high tier products. Okay. Something small that people can get their feet wet with you, purchase something, actually take their credit cards out, and then you provide so much value then when you promote the bigger stuff down the road, they see it as a no-brainer to continue with you, continue with your training, okay? And then a lot of times people will use the reverse way, right? They'll have something that's priced at like a $10,000 coaching community. And that's the first thing they lead with. And they're like, crap, I would love to work with this guy, but that's way out of my price range. Oh, he's got this course that is $197. Cool. Oh, he's got a coaching community for only $97 a month. Cool. Then your lower ticket stuff becomes a no-brainer, right? So there's really two different ways that you can approach that. And then another thing that works really well is a paid Zoom call, right? I charge $379 for my paid Zoom calls. Okay. An hour call with me, $379. Okay. That's something that you can do. Usually when you have a little bit more experience and some results, then you can add that paid call in there and people have no problems working with you one-on-one like that. Okay. And then the last step, you're going to want to create an email campaign. Okay. Again, we're talking about automating your business. We're talking about being 90% hands-free. You need a way to follow up with people. And again, that's why I love StanStore. It's kind of like the all-in-one tool now. Yes, it's $99 a month, but traditionally you're paying $97 for some sort of funnel software. You're paying another $27 for some sort of follow-up software. And then, anywhere between $97 to like $500 for email follow-up software. So all-in-one tools, $99, you can't really beat it with StanStore. And the fact that you can run your business for $99 a month online, it's insane. Because if you compare that to traditional, it might sound like a lot to you right now, but if you compare that to traditional business where you got to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on business school, then you got to build a business plan, and then you got to get hundreds of thousands of dollars to start your business and a loan from the bank to hire people, to get a warehouse, to ship inventory, right? All of that stuff costs money traditionally. And that's why we love digital products, because you can get started literally for under $100 a month. So yeah, that is the basic high level overview of all the steps that actually go into selling digital products and making money online. Okay. So if you're interested and you want to learn more about how you can partner with me, get unlimited access to my coaching community, all the digital products that I've ever created, a one-on-one coaching call, and a 100% done for you digital product that you could turn around and sell for 100% profit right away, then you're going to want to click the link down in the description or underneath this video, depending on where you are watching it. And if you have the document open, you can just click this Learn More button right here, and you're going to go to a page with some information from the creator of this course, this master resale rights concept, this 100% done for you digital product concept. You're going to learn more about how you can get a complete digital marketing course, the master resale rights to it, and then the ability to work with me directly as one of the bonuses with unlimited access to my paid community that most people have to pay $97 a month for. You're going to get it for free. You're going to get that one-on-one coaching call for free. You're not going to pay $379 for it. You're going to get access to every single digital product that I've ever created in that community, plus weekly group coaching. Okay. So if that sounds interesting to you, you want to learn more about this stuff, you want to get my help to implement it step by step with a 100% done for you product, then click right here, click the Learn More button, and you can go over there to learn more about it. Again, if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be on the lookout for new videos, because I'm dropping value like this all of the time. Okay. I'm dedicated to helping you create a lifestyle of wealth and freedom with online business, side hustles, and online marketing. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.